How to screen record on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video I will show you how can you do a screen record on your Instagram. So let's get started. First, as I want to inform you that you can't directly record the Instagram from the Instagram recording feature, like you can use the recording application or your system inbuilt recording feature. For the iPhone, you can easily access it from the control center. For that, swipe down from the top right. From the section, you can easily find the recording section, and from here tap to record. After you tap on that, you can simply open your Instagram. For the iPhone, you can simply find it as usual. If you not find that, you can install the recording application from the App Store or Play Store, and that's it. After you get the access for recording the Instagram, you'll be able to do a screen record on Instagram. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give a like and subscribe for more tutorial like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.